Thinking about securing your property? You're probably wondering, should you go with a fence or build a wall? Both have their pros and cons, but which one gives you the best value for your money? Stick around to find out. First up, cost. Fences are generally much more affordable to install than walls. While a standard wood or vinyl fence can cost between $15 to $50 per linear foot, a concrete or brick wall can easily go up to $100 per foot or more. So if budget is a major concern, fences take the lead. But what about durability? Walls tend to last longer than fences since they're built from materials like concrete and brick. However, they also require costly repairs if damaged. On the other hand, fences, especially metal and vinyl ones, are easier and cheaper to maintain over time. When it comes to style, fences offer more versatility. Wood, vinyl, ornamental metal. There's a wide variety to match your home's aesthetic. Walls, on the other hand, provide a strong and private look, but customization is often more expensive. Security is another key factor. Walls provide unmatched privacy and are harder to climb. However, a well-designed fence with anti-climb features and security additions like motion sensors can also be a great protective barrier. So, which is the better investment? If you're looking for a cost-effective and stylish option, a fence is the way to go. But if security and longevity are your priorities, a wall might be worth the extra cost. Still not sure? We can help. Call us at 781-767-3596 or visit kaonfenceinc.com.